Okay, so he's pulling this apart here. There's your wheel nut. This one isn't broken yet. What's wrong with that?
It's probably the American one I replaced it with.
Mm-hmm. Put a screwdriver in there, Phillips. I got this little short one right here. Not quite small enough to go in there. That one's broken. It's alright. Not being used anymore, so it doesn't matter.
Do you want to go through for me?
Push it through.
The wire on the back side give me a hard time. There we go. We'll turn it back now.
That one failed.
Okay, so I believe the idea here is like, so this should go in between, right?
Yeah,
On the back
I'm not
side?
sure where you're at. What do you? I know what it looks like.
So this is gonna go like this.
The lock washer goes on the back side. And hopefully it digs into a ground. Where's the nut supposed to be on this side? Where's the wheel nut?
No, well, that's on this side, so it goes this way.
That's the thickness of the wheel nut, so this goes on this side. And that's on the back side.
Should we maybe?
The lock washer should dig into it when you tighten it.
Okay.
We'll find out.
On the back side, you're saying?
Yeah. Problem is gonna be tightening that nut down. Yeah, you can't get your finger in how you gotta tighten it. It's a big wrench. And if you take the battery out, it might help slightly. Probably come in there. I think you got room over here for a wrench coming through here. You should be able to tighten it up. Is that a 3/4 probably?
This should come up the back side. We should probably check that before.
3/4 right there in the bucket. I'm assuming that's a 3/4, isn't it? There, that's 3/4. Is that the one?
Nice.
Okay. Well, it's probably a 1/2 inch nut, so 3/4 what they run. Stole my towel.
Nasty oil's been storing up in here.
Yeah, well, there you go. She's used. Can't say it's not ridden. Yeah, it's gonna be a problem.
Okay, I got her.
So the way I can hold a nut for you, you just tighten the wrench, or? Well, the front side's not, it's round, it doesn't have a hex on it, right?
Start it at least. Where's that one? Okay. Now we should just be able to put a wrench up on that, right? And then turn this one.
Yeah, so just tighten it up. You got a hex on this? Yeah, you got a hex on it. Just one wrench for the hex. Let's put a socket on that damn thing and tighten the socket. Got a hex on it.
That must be 5/8.
It's 5/8 or 11/16. It's in the bucket there too if you want it. And I got to get a socket for that.
That's gonna be the short one, I believe.
It's on there.
I think, see how there's one short one? I'm guessing that's the short one.
Mine's in there.
I don't get it, but I think
You want to put a short one on the top?
we'll have to look at these other two over here. But see how there's 3 long ones? One short one, I believe.
Where's the instructions?
Instructions.
Why not? Kind of fly-by-night outfit is this place?
Or maybe there's one that just didn't have the. One of them doesn't come with a It is, one of them doesn't come with a lock washer. I asked the guy and he said it was supposed to be like that for some reason.
We'll hold it on there.
Okay, so it's 11/16.
Just a little short. So the short one has no lock washer?
Yeah.
It's the same length.
It's
It's the same length. What length is that one? Same length. Let's put a shoulder to shoulder. Let's check length like that. So you go shoulder to shoulder, gives you exact correct reading length. Okay, these ones look the same, pretty much. 32nd, that's production error.
right.
Like yours, probably looks the same. These are all the same.
Okay.
30,000, just.
So one of them was without a lock washer for whatever reason. I asked him, he said that was, I can't remember why. It was on purpose.
Is there a thicker bracket on there? You're trying to get more room for the oil tank?
Maybe because this bracket sticks out. See how it's more up here flush? Let me see what this.
It doesn't matter, it doesn't, the wall course on the other side. I didn't have a problem putting it on there.
Well, there's a reason for one of them not being there, so what? See what it is.
Are we swapping out all four or just two?
Well, I'm here. Might as well do it. That's what I bought them for.
We just got done putting that all together. This is our well nut eliminator kit, is what this is. Okay, where's your 1/4 inch at?
See, these two seem to be on the same plane. Ish. No.
Yeah, but the lock's on the other side, it's not between the parts. It'd be a clearance issue. And these are the same distance apart, there's no difference.
Why would we not have a lock washer?
I would put a lock washer on all
I don't have a lock washer for all of them. I'm only going for 3. So.
of them. It's a 1/2 inch
Sure,
straight.
thought about this. He did it on purpose.
You don't have a 1/2 inch lock?
No, I don't. You-
We can get one, but. Let's go ahead and put both of them on the long on that side, and if it fits, fine, if it doesn't, then we'll do something about it. The only thing that's even closer remotely is the wiring harness here in front, right here, and I already had the nut in there. You got lots of room back here. I have room in here.
I can get on that if you can get on that.
Let me get this bolt started, nut started here. You ready? I go. Yeah, they're tight.
Let's see if we're getting ground off of it.
Right now, everything's plated right now, so there's no.
Probably should grind.
These are anodized. That's.
Anodizing shouldn't be a problem, right?
Everything's anodized. Anodized a restriction, doesn't not go through.
Anodized won't let it go through?
It's a corrosion layer. It's gonna have a drag too. Okay, well, which one do I put wires to? This one or this one? That's what it comes down to. What's the better location for your wires to go to?
Guessing the back one.
Okay, and this is the one that needs to be grounded. Okay, let's put your wrench up here on this one. Go ahead and tighten it down and see what we got. hanging there. In a good spot?
Yep.
Let's tighten it up. Okay, where's the test light at? In the jumper? Somewhere. Over here. Just hook it to ground, the battery. To the battery. See, no ground. Groundless. That comes on. Light is not on. We have to make, we got to grind it to make clearance.
Okay.
So if that's the way we want the ground to go to, we'll do it, because I don't want to cut through the frame, we don't have to. Okay, battery's disconnected.
Okay.
So,
I've got a grinder, we can take that powder off.
we got the wire hanging down here. We have these ones, where are the other ones at? These here, okay, everything here looks like it's long enough to get, one more of these? Get two of these black wires.
Side right here. Right here.
That's the one that's gonna be the problem.
So maybe we just go to the front? Does everybody fit to the front?
And it's not letting me pull. Yeah, I can just get it in there. Yeah, I just made it.
Okay.
Well, not quite, but if I pull some more, the problem is it's zip tied over here. It needs to be
Right.
zip tied on top. We'll get the 1/4 inch we need to make it work. It's better to be here. It's more convenient because all
Right.
this is all laying right here. Unless you want to move all this stuff up to the front.
Probably better, it does kind of lay better back to the back, doesn't it?
Well, let's get the stuff out of the way we don't need. Let's clear out everything that's not needed. Can this come off right now, or is it attached to something? It's attached right now somewhere. This blue wire is attached here, right? Okay, is there anything keep you from bringing this out this side? Okay, these are out of the way. This is out of the way. Look at how much room we got now. Okay, that one's all the way down here. This one comes out here.
Take that over there, just put it down.
And this one's coming out here also. Okay, so everything is out of the way that was over here. Okay, so now we have this one here.